Welcome friends, health enthusiasts, and curious minds alike. In this video, we're diving into a topic that affects many of us, alcohol and its effects on our bodies. This isn't about scare tactics or preaching, but about delivering clear, science-backed information. We'll uncover how alcohol, a substance so common in our society, impacts different aspects of our health. From our brain to our liver, heart, immune system, and even our digestive system, you'll be surprised by the intricate ways alcohol interacts with our bodies. So, buckle up as we delve into the 5 things alcohol does to your body. But before we go any further, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. First on our list is the organ that bears the brunt of alcohol consumption, the liver. The liver is like a superhero in our body, tirelessly working to detoxify everything we consume. But when alcohol enters the scene, it's like kryptonite to our superhero. In the short term, alcohol can cause liver damage. Our liver is designed to filter toxins, but when it comes to alcohol, it can only process a certain amount at a time. Excess alcohol overwhelms the liver, causing inflammation and fat buildup, leading to a condition known as fatty liver disease. Then, as we continue to drink, the liver's ability to regenerate itself is compromised. The continuous inflammation and fat accumulation can progress to alcoholic hepatitis, an inflammation of the liver that can cause life-threatening complications. But the damage doesn't stop there. Over time, chronic alcohol abuse can lead to cirrhosis, where the liver tissue is replaced by scar tissue. This drastically reduces liver function, making it difficult for the liver to detoxify the body and process nutrients. Worst-case scenario, long-term alcohol abuse can even lead to liver cancer. Numerous studies, including those published in the Journal of Hepatology, have found a strong link between chronic alcohol consumption and liver cancer. But here's the important part. This damage isn't inevitable. By limiting alcohol intake, we can help protect our liver and maintain its superhero status. So the next time you're about to raise a glass, remember the hard work your liver does for you. Clearly, the liver pays a hefty price for excessive drinking. Next, we turn our attention to the organ that makes us who we are, the brain. This intricate network of neurons is not immune to the effects of alcohol. In fact, chronic alcohol abuse can have significant impacts on brain function. Scientific studies have shown that excessive drinking can alter the structure and function of the brain. It disrupts the communication pathways, affecting mood, behavior, and the brain's ability to think clearly and move with coordination. These changes can lead to mental health problems like depression, anxiety, and even increase the risk of developing neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's. Moreover, alcohol can interfere with our brain's reward system. Over time, the brain starts to associate alcohol with pleasure and reward, which can lead to addiction. This happens because alcohol boosts the release of dopamine, a neurotransmitter involved in experiencing pleasure. However, with constant exposure, the brain starts to adjust, producing less dopamine. This can lead to people drinking more to achieve the same pleasurable effect, often leading to a vicious cycle of addiction. Another area of concern is the effect of alcohol on memory. Excessive alcohol intake can cause blackouts, memory lapses, and over time, it can even lead to permanent memory loss. This is because alcohol can damage the hippocampus, a part of the brain crucial for memory. So it's not just a hangover, alcohol can leave a lasting impact on our brains. From altering our mood and behavior to damaging our memory, and even leading to addiction, the effects of alcohol on the brain are far-reaching and profound. Now let's examine the organ that keeps us alive, the heart. Alcohol, when consumed moderately, may seem like a friend, offering some potential benefits like reducing the risk of heart disease. But don't be fooled. These benefits are often overshadowed by the dangers of excessive drinking. Research shows that heavy drinking over time can lead to an array of heart-related issues. These include high blood pressure, heart disease, stroke, and even heart failure. The heart is a complex and delicate organ, and alcohol can disrupt its rhythm, leading to conditions like arrhythmias. Moreover, alcohol is a calorie-rich substance which can contribute to weight gain, a risk factor for heart disease. It's also worth noting that alcohol can interact negatively with heart medications, making them less effective or even harmful. So, while a glass of wine with dinner might not be a cause for alarm, it's vital to understand that excessive drinking is no joke to your heart's health. Therefore, when it comes to the heart, alcohol is certainly not a friend. Moving on, let's talk about how alcohol interacts with our immune system. A surprising fact is that alcohol has a profound effect on our body's defense mechanism, with excessive drinking leading to an impaired immune response. This happens because alcohol disrupts the gut microbiota, the friendly bacteria in our gut, which plays a crucial role in maintaining our immune health. Health studies have shown that chronic alcohol consumption can cause inflammation in the gut, leading to a leaky gut syndrome. This allows bacteria and toxins to enter the bloodstream, triggering an immune response and inflammation throughout the body. Furthermore, alcohol can disrupt the function of immune cells, such as T cells and B cells, which are responsible for fighting off infections and diseases. This impairment can leave the body more susceptible to infections, slow wound healing, and increase the risk of certain cancers. To put it simply, alcohol acts like a double-edged sword. While a small amount can potentially boost the immune response, chronic and heavy drinking can significantly weaken the immune system, leaving the body more vulnerable to diseases. In other words, excessive alcohol can make us more vulnerable to diseases. Finally, we take a look at the organ that processes what we consume, the digestive system. When alcohol enters our bodies, it doesn't sit idle. It starts interacting with our digestive system almost immediately. As you might guess, the results aren't always pleasant. Alcohol can cause a range of issues, from mild nuisances to severe health complications. For starters, it can lead to inflammation of the stomach lining, which is known as gastritis. This can result in discomfort, nausea, and even ulcers if left unchecked. The effects don't stop there. Alcohol can also impede nutrient absorption in the small intestine. This means that even if you're eating a balanced diet, your body might not be getting all the nutrients it needs. Over time, this can lead to malnutrition and a weakened immune system. Furthermore, excessive alcohol consumption can lead to pancreatitis, a painful and potentially dangerous inflammation of the pancreas. And let's not forget about the increased risk of various cancers, particularly those of the mouth, throat, esophagus, and colon. So, alcohol can disrupt more than just our eating habits. And there you have it, the 5 key ways alcohol impacts our bodies. From the liver to the brain, the heart, the immune system, and the digestive system, alcohol leaves no stone unturned. It's a stark reminder that while a drink or two may seem harmless, moderation is key to maintaining our health. And remember, if you're worried about your alcohol consumption, don't hesitate to seek professional advice. Did you find this information useful? Leave a comment below, and don't forget to check out our calorie and protein calculator in the description to kickstart your fitness journey. And before you go, thank you so much for watching our video, and please make sure to subscribe to our channel. If you want to reduce your risk of type 2 diabetes, watch the video on your screen next. Until next time, stay informed and stay healthy.